In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set GIF as your profile picture on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up WhatsApp app. Then just tap right here at that gear to go to settings, and after that tap at your profile picture, and then right here tap at that profile picture again. It will open up your current profile photo, and then we need to tap where it says edit and then choose photo. Here we have this GIF image in my photo gallery, and now in order to set it as a profile photo, we just need to tap on it. Here we can see that preview of this GIF, and now I'm just gonna hit add choose now. After that, hit choose again, and basically, guys, that's how it can be easily done. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.